now we are going to give the first crank of the world's first RS457 with the GPR GP titanium exhaust without the DV killer. I am super excited. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what have I got. This is a GPR full system exhaust from Italian company, and this video is in collaboration with GPR exhaust system. I have received this product yesterday itself, and this product is known as GPE and titanium. And I know the full system exhaust was a much awaited thing on my YouTube channel. Since the time I bought this motorcycle last year, all of the audience wanted to see a full system exhaust, and I did not have any exhaust till date because I wanted to get my hands on a value for money product. So here it is, and I am super excited to get this particular product installed on my RS457. And let me tell you, this exhaust costs 70,990 Indian rupees, and it is sold by the official distributor known as Motopoto LLP. If you want to purchase this exhaust, check out the link in the description section down below. And there are various other exhausts launched for RS457 by this company GPR. One is the GPR Ghost exhaust, and other one is the GPR and Black Titanium, which is nothing but the same exhaust, but it will be black in color. So let's unbox this product and get it installed. This is the full system exhaust from GPR, and here it says, here's your new favorite exhaust system, Aprilia RS457 2024 and 2025 model. The model name is GPE and titanium because this is a titanium exhaust. It says maximum retail price 70,990. Motopoto is the dealer that is shipping this exhaust across India. They are the official importer of GPR exhaust. So this exhaust is made in Italy. There were 3 pins over here. I just removed it. Here it says born to race. Quality is next level, guys. First we have the bend pipes, and you can see on the bend pipe it says Aprilia RS457 2024 Collectorate Racing. It is properly bubble wrapped, and if you see over here also it says fragile, handle with care, which means they have taken utmost care while shipping this product. And apart from that, we have the main module. This is the main module of the exhaust. It says GPR exhaust system. Wow, this is a titanium exhaust. The quality is next level. It has a DV killer inside, which is removable. This is a next level quality product. I just assembled the exhaust with hand, and this is how it looks. I am so excited to install this exhaust system on my bike. And there is one more thing which you have got. This is the instruction manual. So there are various things to it. I'll have to read everything. Let's go ahead and get this particular GPR titanium exhaust installed on my motorcycle. It's time for me to leave to the Motoplex Hyderabad showroom where I will get this installed on my motorcycle. And I have tied it using these ropes. And because I have comfort grab rail, it was very easy to mount it on my motorcycle. I'm taking it along with me like this, and I still have space to ride this motorcycle. So let's continue our journey towards Motoplex Hyderabad, and then I'll see you there with the installation of this exhaust. I know many of you have not liked the grab rails on my motorcycle, but it is super useful for me because the tight parking space I have, I need to hold the rear and shift the tail of the motorcycle. With the stock grab rail, I was not able to do that, hence I installed this grab rail. And Google Map shows Motoplex Hyderabad will take 50 minutes for me to travel, just 21 kilometers, because it's 10 AM right now. There will be peak traffic. It's gonna be a long day. Stay tuned. There is a lot of action coming ahead. Probably this is the last time you are hearing the stock exhaust note through my mic in my videos. After this, it's gonna be killer sound in every video. Let's go! And also, you guys have given awesome response to the Aoocci C6 Pro. This device is next level. If you want to purchase this device, you have the link in the description section below, and you can use my coupon code Prakash Suraj in order to get 22% discount on the website. I have reached Motoplex Hyderabad dealership. This is the showroom, but I'll be going back to the service center. आज ये लगाना है।
चॉकलेट कुछ लेके आए क्या बोलो?
चॉकलेट किस लिए? आज ये लगा के पूरा हैदराबाद हिला देना आज।
कितना पड़ा है?
70
GPR का ये रखा था ना?
हाँ, ये परसों लगाया।
मतलब पूरा इसको ECU को कनेक्ट रहेगा ये?
पूरा ECU से कनेक्ट नहीं है, हार्डवायर कनेक्शन है अंदर। ये जो इग्निशन स्विच है ना, वहाँ पे पॉजिटिव कनेक्शन है। ये ऑफ करे तो ऑफ हो जाता। देखो ऑफ हो गया।
पूरा ब्लूटूथ कनेक्ट हो रही है?
हाँ, ऑन करे तो ऑन हो जाएगा।
GPS इनबिल्ट है?
पूरा इनबिल्ट है टोटल। पूरा कॉल्स, मैसेज, नेविगेशन, कैमरा सब कुछ है इसके अंदर।
कार डैशबोर्ड जैसा?
सेम कार डैशबोर्ड। हियर इज माई बाइक एंड हियर इज द एग्जॉस्ट एंड वी आर गोइंग टू अनबॉक्स इट वन मोर टाइम। The bend pipes, this is the underbelly. This is the main module. Here it clearly states for racing use only, so it is not street legal. And here it says 50 GPR, made in Italy, GPR exhaust system. So this is how it looks, and the end part is a hard rubber kind of a material. This headers and this part is steel, only this part is titanium. My bike has been loaded onto the ramp and I want to compare the decibel sound level of the stock bike with the full system exhaust that I'm going to install. Fairing nut bolts and everything, the exhaust is also unmounted. We are going to remove it. This is the stock exhaust. Nikal do Ismail bhai. So you can see the exhaust, it has a blue color tint to it. This usually comes when the exhaust is made of titanium, so I'm not sure what kind of a material the stock exhaust made up of, but this has turned blue because my bike has done 20,000 kilometers. This is something strange, I wanted to call it out, and we are going to remove it and also test its weight. And Ismail bhai is the regular technician who is working on my bike, and we have to install the new exhaust system. Nikal do Ismail bhai. So this was the stock exhaust and here is the full system. First we have the headers. So now I'm going to do the weight test of this full system exhaust. So this is my weighing scale and let's see how much it weighs. It says 4.39, approx 4.4 kgs is the weight of this full system exhaust. I will also check the weight of the stock exhaust on my motorcycle and then I will tell you what is the weight difference. Here is the stock exhaust. The weight scale is at 0. So the stock exhaust weighs 5.86 kgs and I have already shown the full system exhaust. That weighs 4.4 kgs. So this is around 1.2 kgs heavier than the full system exhaust.
इधर का इधर आ गया।
हाँ, ओके। पहले इधर था क्या ये?
हाँ, इधर लगता है, इधर लगाया।
So there are two holes for the oxygen sensor. We are not using this hole, so there is a dummy nut on top of that.
दो सेंसर आने वाले हैं।
Acha, there will be two O2 sensors in future. For those bikes, this module has to be compatible. That's why there are two O2 sensor slots. Now the belly pan has also been installed. So this looks same like the GPR Ghost exhaust. The GPR Ghost exhaust ends over here, and the difference in this exhaust is it has a welding kind of a thing which extend all the way till here, and here is where the end can will be attached. So this is how it looks. Till here the fittings are final. All these parts which you see, this is stainless steel. Only the end slip-on will be titanium. Without installing the end can, we are going to test how the sound is. This is how it sounds without the end can. Exhaust has been installed. Here it starts from the headers, goes to the underbelly pan, and then comes the titanium exhaust. And right now it is with the DB killer. I'm gonna give it the first crank with the full system exhaust. 3, 2, 1, go. This is at idle. I know the sound wouldn't have been that loud because the exhaust still has the dB killer. So we are removing the dB killer. This is how it is supposed to be removed. Just press it with the cutting plier and remove the baffle. This is too much hot. This is how it looks. This is the dB killer which was installed inside. This is how it looks without the dB killer. And now we are going to give the first crank of the world's first RS457 with the GPR GP titanium exhaust without the dB killer. I am super excited. This is how it sounds at idle. It's popping crackles. I'm sure the mic is not doing the justice. I'll have to take it out on the road to test this exhaust. With this exhaust, I'm not going for any air filter modification or the remapping ECU, because on the official website of GPR exhaust system, they have clearly stated that if you don't want to enhance the power of your motorcycle, this exhaust is direct plug and play. So right now I'm using it plug and play. In future, I'm definitely going to upgrade the air filter and also do the ECU remapping to show it to you guys if this bike has a performance bump or not. But let me tell you one important aspect, that is about the warranty. This exhaust is made for race use only and it is not legal to use it on our streets, but as we know, everyone buys it for legal use and it's there on my motorcycle. But good thing is that we have a dB killer, so the sound will be reduced. If we are using it in the city, we can remove it on the track and on the open highways. And when it comes to the warranty, even that's a given fact. If you change the exhaust system of a motorcycle, no matter which manufacturer it is, the warranty will not be applicable. These things you should know before buying this exhaust. But man, I'm telling you, this exhaust sounds bonkers. The mic is not doing the justice, but you need to hear it in person in order to experience what this exhaust has to offer. Finally, all the fittings have been done. You can see the full system exhaust and it has a covering till here. The end covering cannot be installed with this exhaust, but if you go for the GPR Ghost exhaust, because that end pipe will end over here, so you can get the ending fitting of the silencer cover, and this is how it looks. Let me give it a crank without the dB killer again. To check the ground clearance, whether it has improved or not. So this is the lowest part of the exhaust and we can see it's somewhere around 16.5 centimeters of ground clearance, that is 165 mm. So we are able to see that it is 16.5 mm. Yeah, the ground clearance is 16.5 mm. Now let's check on the stock motorcycle. So this is a stock motorcycle. Let's see how much the ground clearance is. यहाँ पे लगाओ, ये लोएस्ट पार्ट है, यहाँ लगाओ. So this is 170 mm. I think 5 mm difference. So this exhaust is 170 mm and that exhaust is 165 mm. So you are losing out on 5 mm of ground clearance, which is not much actually. But we'll have to see in practical whether on this motorcycle it touches the speed bumps or not. So this was all about the full system exhaust on my RS457. And I will have to end this video over here. In the next video, you're going to see the riding shots, flyby, and how it sounds while I ride this motorcycle. So you have to wait for that video. Also, do post your thoughts in the comment section below whether you liked it or not. And let me tell you, if this video is in collaboration with GPR exhaust, if you want to purchase this exhaust, I'll post the link in the description section down below. This exact exhaust costs 70,990 rupees. And yeah, it's time to close this video. With that, I will sign off from this video and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.